Hi, everybody. I'm here to talk to you about informal assessments. Informal assessments are using technology to engage, teach, and learn. When we're using formal assessments, we are evaluating their understanding so we can go ahead and help children continue their learning. It provides real time evaluation, and it also helps us to decide what's going on in the classroom and where we need to go next. There's various ways to do this, and it is very authentic and ongoing. When we look at different things, the one informal assessment that I'd like to talk about is quizzes. Quizzes on a technology example would be ed puzzles. What it does is it gives you possible uses, such as to understand if they understand the concept. It also helps us to be used anywhere in the classroom, home. They could use it independent. There's some advantages and disadvantages. The advantages could be the visual aids. They could pace at their own, go at their own pace. The disadvantage could be that there might be some details missing, and students can also reset their initial responses and they'll disappear. This is an ed puzzle. This shows you a little bit about how we put it together. If you look over here, it tells you about it's curriculum based. There's a videos from major selections that you could choose from, and it is able to work with Google, a learning management system, and it's just a great tool for us to use. Another assessment would be portfolios. The technology I'm referring to is Seesaw. It's an app to share, document, and compile the students' achievements. Students can create their own share case to share with their families or share with anyone else. It also allows us to collaborate with other people outside of the classroom. It also continues to have various assisted technology that we can use as well. Advantages is that it's real time documentation. Some of the disadvantages is it does take a little bit of time to set up. And if you look right here, teachers find and create activities, students take pictures and draw, record their own, and families can see their work. The next thing I'd like to talk about is competitive games. There are online games such as Kahoot. It's a great tool for us when we want to check understanding. We also want to have some fun in the classroom. Students can use this numerous different ways. There's also a text to speech feature, and then also this is very good for checking understanding. The only thing is sometimes it gets a little hectic, and students might not represent themselves accurately. And lastly, I'd like to talk about exit tickets. Tickets are a great way to understand if the lesson of that day went was planned and the understanding was given. we would like I'd like to say that we use Ziplet. Ziplet is again a tool that we use, and you can see this is how Ziplet works. There's inputs, activities, outputs, and outcomes. And you can take your time and read through this, but this basically gives you a flow chart on how it works for the students, the teachers, and then also anybody else, such as leaders, using this particular app. And last, I just want to summarize that informal assessments are just gathering, documenting, evaluating students. And it also can be used in various different classrooms, homes, actually anywhere that you could take an iPad, an iPhone, or anything else. Technology has great opportunities to use aids for all learners. And then also the assisted technology that's embedded within these systems are also great. There's numerous apps, software, and programs that are developed, and it can be interfaced with the learning management systems that we already use today. And thank you for your time.